Hello guys and welcome back. So now from this video onwards we will start working on our game UI, okay? So on the menu scene, as you can see, we have this loading screen. Let me actually start the game and show it to you guys first of all. Okay, and also I want to apologize because I was busy in some other projects, so didn't find the time to continue this course. But anyways, we continued it and this time we're gonna finish it, okay? So right here it shows the loading screen, and then right here it shows this username screen, okay? And when we give any username, we click next, it shows this option. We can either create a room, okay, start the game, or leave the room, or and also we can find the room as well. Okay, so we're gonna redesign this everything, okay? So for the UI, I have used this asset which is freely available on the Unity asset store, which is by the name of Fantasy Wooden GUI Free. So go ahead and add this to your assets and then click on Open in Unity. Then click on Open Unity Editor and it will open this up, okay? You can then go ahead and download it. And after downloading it, let's click on Import. Click on Import again. And it will be imported inside your game, okay? So now if you check this out, here is all of the UI sprites. And also guys, go ahead and download this image, okay? I've downloaded this from Google, so if you want to use this, then you can use this as well, and if you want to use some other one, you can use that as well. But since in the intro we have used this image, so I'm going to use this, okay? Go ahead and download this, then change this to Sprite 2D UI, okay? And this is the image as you can see. So now let's select this loading menu, and inside this loading I'm gonna go ahead and create a UI image. Let's name this as BG or background. Let's move this up there and drag and drop this image as a source. Click native size. As you can see, it's really big, so what we're gonna do, we're gonna press Ctrl Z and click on this and click on stretch. Okay, so now as you can see, here it is. Now after this, in the loading menu, we're going to click on UI, add another image. Let's name this as loading BG. Okay, drag and drop this text in here and click on loading BG, and in here we're gonna drag and drop this sprite, so drag and drop it, and let's change the width to 400 by 100 and make sure that it is in the bottom center. Okay, right here. Now you can select the text and you can select any font you want. Okay, let's use this font for example. Make the size 50, and also with this we're gonna be adding the image, so I'm gonna add an image in the loading BG. Let's name this as loading icon. Okay, and this will be our loading icon, so I'm gonna drag and drop that and make the width of it as 40 and the height will be 40 as well. Click on scene, zoom in and move it right here. Okay, like this. Select the text, move the text a little bit right here and this right here. Okay, so this will be now our new loading screen. Okay, if we start the game, as you can see, when it shows connecting to master and all of that, it shows the loading screen perfectly fine. If you click next and create a room, as you can see, it shows that loading screen. Okay, so our loading screen is working perfectly fine. Now let's close this and let's work on the username. So on the username, first of all, we're gonna create a UI image. Name this as BG. Okay, and this will be, actually, you know what, let's Let's delete this PG, okay? Because as you know that we will leave this as black. We're gonna change our sub background, okay? So what I'm gonna do, as you can see, this is our sub background. So to this, let's add an image, okay? And then we're gonna add this to its source. As you can see, change its width to 750 by 540. Then open up the username and create room thing. Click on username and we're gonna change its source image to this, okay? And then change its height to 100. Okay, let's select the scene, and what we're gonna do is we're gonna move this a little bit right here, then select its placeholder, move it down below like that, make it fully white. And you can select whatever font you want. Okay, select it. And as you can see, this will be our username. Now let's work on the next button. So for the button, you can add whatever button you like. I'm gonna add this one and change its height to 100 as well. Okay, let's select the text, make its color white. Okay, make sure it is fully white, and let me check the font. We select this font in here, so select that font right here as well, and in this text as well. Okay, make it 40. That's it. Okay, so now this is our username menu. Let me actually now close that, show the loading menu. Let's start the game. And as you can see, here it is. Okay, so as you can see, the text is showing up there, and we actually don't want that. So in the username, if we select this text, here it is. We need to make its color white, and we need to move this down below like this. Okay, so I'm gonna copy the component before stopping the game. Then open up that menu, click text, click on paste component values, change its color to white, and that's it. Okay, now we can test it out again. Okay, now as you can see, it looks perfectly fine. Click next. Okay, so now we need to work on our title menu. But let's just do the title menu in the next one. Okay, let's stop this video right here.